Yeah, he's turning port. He's turning in. You can wave to him.
When you get up there, when you climb up there, your price. This boy can reach Batam or not?
Can, but you won't reach the borders lah.
Let's go.
You go the borders only.
Where's the accelerator?
They shoot you down. Nah, throttle.
But you can't go faster?
Not here.
Oh.
We are in a so-called like the car park zone, no wake
Oh,
zone.
you cannot go because later you will hit all the boats and then smash into the door.
Yes.
We can buy these boats.
Okay, so you see on the left side, you see all the expensive boats. You can point to the left. Point to the left, yeah. And then on the right side, you see all the sampans.
Sampan.
Yeah.
What is here? Sampan. All sampan.
There, all the sampans. So all the small boats. You know who does the sampan belongs to? No, not Sang Nila Utama. The
Old uncles.
yeah, it's old uncles, but they actually inhabitants from the southern islands. So last time, all the
Wait, why is the
kampong.
boat out here though?
Wait,
How did they get the boat?
Let me explain first. So you know all the southern islands, there used to be kampong, right? Then when they relocate to Singapore, the mainland, they need a place for their boats. So this is where the government give them place for their boats. How they come to their boats is they will tumpang each other lah.
Oh.
Sometimes they can swim, sometimes they swim.
Yeah. This is where I play my court games.
Yeah.
Who owns this boat?
Which one? This big one?
Are we going Keppel Bay there?
No, we're going Pandan River
The SP Yacha.
Now we
inside there.
Yeah, so those are the boats. Please no.
What's your ID?
Please no.
Yeah.
Why the tide so high?
It's not tight, this is the wave.
I mean the wave so high.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. So, the seafaring community is actually a very friendly community. So, if you see any seafarers, if you see anyone on the boats or on the ship, you can wave to them, they will wave back. Okay?
Giving me outer bag.
Okay, so this ship here, this blue color ship, point to the ship. Point to the
No
ship.
smoking, no naked.
Yeah. Yeah, so this,
What's this one? Oil rig.
can you see this? This is actually a tanker. Okay? So you see the anchor in front of it, the black one. Yeah, that one is a small one. It weighs about 1 ton only.
Oh, that's huge.
And then below it, you see all the numberings, right? That numberings are draft marks. Okay, so these draft marks is how we weigh the ship. We take the readings and then we do some calculations.
Around vlogger vibes.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, in the center of it, you see the draft mark in the center. On the top of the draft mark, there is a plimsoll mark. Okay, so this is the load line. So you see S is summer.
But this ship
For the
can
pilot.
Use the joystick. Use the joystick.
Pilot then. Oh.
Use the joystick. Tu,
There's no one here.
here. Joystick here. Point up. Yeah.
Oh, so cool. Eh?
Okay.
There's no one here.
So you see S is the summer load line. Right now we are in the tropical region, so we can actually load up to T, the tropical. Can see not?
It means what? We can load until
The water line reaches T.
Okay.
Okay, so you can load more than the summer load line.
You know what's TM?
TF is tropical fresh. That is if you're in fresh water. F is fresh water.
Oh, you know what's WN?
WNA is winter North Atlantic. Winter and winter
so
North
this boat
Atlantic.
is going to the North Atlantic.
Yes, you can.
It's smaller, eh?
You can.
But can it handle those big waves?
Can. Because if you're carrying oil is always awesome.
Aircraft looks like it would not be able to be activated. Where's the aircraft?
Can. This one can.
Oh yeah, it looks small though. The ship looks so big, but the ship looks so like rusty.
This is probably more than 10-year-old ship. This is actually a Japanese design.
Oh my god, I got my phone. Where are the rooms down there?
No, inside the white accommodation space. Below, it's all engine room already.
And what are these?
Okay, these are all ocean tucks. Point to the left. Yeah, these are all ocean supply.
Ocean supply.
Ocean supply, anchor handling, and multi-purpose vessel. So they supply all the.
Emergency lifeboat.
Yeah, that is the lifeboat. Point to the lifeboat, Farah. Lifeboat, yeah. No, left.
Left.
Yeah, left, yeah. Yeah, that's the lifeboat.
Damn, those are very big. What they call?
These are Yokohama fenders, the one below. Below, kiri. Kiri,
Those are
bawah.
very big fenders.
Yeah, that is called the Yokohama fenders.
Why do they need so many fenders?
Because they are always in contact with vessels. So they don't want bare metal to be scrubbing against each other.
Look at the anchor.
Okay, this is a anchor handling tug.
Yo, that's huge.
Wow.
You see this anchor, I think this anchor is AC14 or something like that. That's the anchor type. You see the ship has its own anchor, but it brings another anchor. So it's an anchor handling tug.
Okay, so which is the anchor?
The
one inside.
the one inside is its own anchor.
This one is
Extra. Yeah. So this one will help to reposition oil rigs or drilling ships to their position, and then they can drill. You see this anchor chain on the left?
Damn.
This is a very small anchor chain. I will show you a bigger one later.
This one right here.
Yeah, right here.
These are these barges?
Yeah, these are barges.
So these are movable.
Yes.
Okay.
So they just tow this away.
Yes,
They just
so
load
huge,
load and
actually.
tow.
Streets. I mean the roads.
Okay, if you want to see bigger chains,
So these are not platforms, these are barges. Well, barges are on at Patna. Yeah.
okay, it's on the left, The bigger chains are on the left. If you look through, Farah, you see right through. On the left, you zoom in. On the left button.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at
there.
the chain.
Zoom. Kiri. Left.
Is that?
Yes, there. Correct.
Yo, that's
Yeah.
Those are the chains. On top is cables,
That was one whole chain.
Yes, one whole chain.
how many? How do I?
Can see not, Farah?
This side.
No, left.
How do they like?
Oh.
Wait, how do they
Zoom in.
put it on the ship?
Yeah. how they put it on the ship.
Yeah.
They will put on a winch, and then the winch will bring it slowly.
How do they get it on the beach? Or people carry it?
Crane. They will use a crane.
Or do you think we're Look at all the boats.
That they have
Where?
Yes, that's the anchor.
Okay.
Okay.
Franklin offshore. So people stay here.
Yeah, people stay here because this is a crane barge. Sometimes when they want to carry something, they don't have crane. They call this crane barge. Yeah. Yeah. So what you're looking at is under laundries of the crew. Okay, you see this Franklin? You see the diamond shape on top? They use the net. That is actually a navigation signal. It's a towing signal actually. So this barge is actually being towed. Okay, towed. T-O-W-E-D. Okay, if you look at the one right next to it, there's a diamond signal as well, but it's not made of net. You can see? Can you zoom in, Farah? Franklin 10. Yeah, zoom in.
I think the oil is.
Can see?
Is that fresh water?
No, just water only.
Water.
Where's the water coming from?
The water is just from the deck lah.
Why would
It's just seawater. Okay.
Water?
If oil, you can see the rainbow color on the water.
No, what are these?
Which one?
Equest Virgo.
This one a ferry.
Oh, like Batam Pass vibes.
Yeah. But bigger this one. So Tekong ferry they use like this one.
Oh.
Yeah. And then
how let's just say at Tekong, right? If they run the whole ship drown, right? How are they gonna pay the life?
there's only a few people operating this boat. Oh, you mean the whole Tekong, is it? There are life raft and there are few life rafts. The life raft very big one. Because
logistics company.
yeah, that's a logistics company.
Where? It's from those trees. In it, not so the honeymoon is from trees. You just feel like one different.
What is this area?
This is Pandan River.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is Pandan Loop. In front there, if you go all the way in, it's Pandan Reservoir.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Drive through there.
no, cannot. It's blocked.
How much is it to operate one of these boats?
Expensive. The maintenance is more than the boat and the engine already.
Maintenance.
Yeah.
More than the cost.
Why that boat?
How much have you buy this boat? 5,000.
The boat here is about 20.
This boat,
Yeah.
20,000.
20,000. Just the boat engine is 8.
Why this one singing?
Okay. Farah, point to the ship. Alright. Okay, so you see here, these ships are under dry dock.
Dry dock.
Dry dock.
What that mean?
That means they come here for repairs, for maintenance.
Crew change as well.
Crew change outside.
Oh.
So repairs, maintenance, and sometimes audits, inspections. Yeah.
The bunker surveyor.
How do they
and all
maintain?
that.
How do they maintain?
Yeah.
Every day they have to maintain. Their work is maintenance. So the outlook of every vessel depends on the crew. If the crew anyhow chincai, never maintain, then becomes like this.
I thought it was my friend.
Someone inside.
Glory there.
What are you doing?
Must you scrub? As a crew, must you scrub all those
Yeah.
masks? So they must go in the water.
No, as in the water below, no need.
Oh, okay.
That one is the job of the dry dockers.
You really need a paint job.
Yeah,
Is the water here low or is it just
water here very low.
free logistics.
You see, Farah, you see that one? Clean Seas United. Yeah, zoom in. See, have you ever wondered how it goes there?
They
That ship.
park the boat by the ditch.
Pilotage.
Oh, there's a real, wheels.
Wheels.
No lah, cannot be lah.
They wait for high tide. They come in. They put blocks, wooden blocks below. Then they wait for low tide.
Are they on land? It's on land.
Yeah, it's on land.
Oh.
You see? Can you see the propeller for the other ship, the Mua Pantas?
Oh yeah, the back.
Yeah, you can zoom into the propeller. Clean Seas United, the propeller is taken off for now.
So wait, they wait for high tide to go back in the water.
Yes,
Then how do they make it so stable? How's the boat not like?
because they put wooden blocks below.
So the crew will do all that. As a maintenance crew, do you get paid a lot?
No,
You don't?
no.
But you maintain such a thing. Your job is so hard.
Okay.
One T is so cool.
Okay, Farah, you see this Anna Endeavour? This ship? Okay. Can you guess from the water to the flag, how many stories is it? Yeah,
5, 6.
it's about 8 stories. Yeah, correct.
Go to the flag.
To the flag, it's about 8 stories.
So that flag, there you are.
Yeah.
The green buddy. Wrong location, buddy.
No, he is also going into
Maintenance.
maintenance, I think. Yeah, he's turning port. He's turning in.
Oh.
You can wave to him. Point.
Yacht.
Yeah, it's a yacht.
Hey.
Agui ya? Agui. Cara. Okay.
No, you're gonna go on the land now.
Yeah, he's gonna paint the hull.
So he's saying, go on land now. Is it because it's low tide now? Is that the green one? It's called Shadow Ball. So these are tugboats, or these are the oil.
Yeah, these are supply boats.
So what are the flag, the red flag?
The red flag, there's a Singapore ensign. So Singapore registered ships, when they are in Singapore, you can fly that flag.
It's a smiley face.
No, it's a crescent with the 5 stars.
Oh.
Why can't I just put a Singapore flag?
You can, but that one also can.
What is Singapore flag?
But Singapore ensign is only for Singapore registered
Singapore,
ships.
look at this old man. Huh? What the hell is that over here? This old man coming out. I was like taking part of this.
Okay, now you can, Farah, you can zoom into the horizon. You see all the crane? Yeah, just zoom in there.
You know how to wait over there.
Okay, those are container terminals.
Yes.
That's where all the big container ships are.
Did we go there?
Right now, no. Right now, we don't have much time lah. Maybe one day during your lesson lah.
We go further and not. What is this one? Greens
This one? Yeah,
It's a green barge.
correct. Look to the left, Farah. Can zoom out. Look to the left. Yeah, so this is a grain barge. Yeah. So it's for you to process the grains for bulk carrier purposes. Okay. Come Farah, you can stop the video already.